The Busan Metro, also known as Busan Metropolitan Subway, has undergone significant growth and development since its establishment in 1985. This write-up will delve into the evolution of the Busan Metro, highlighting key milestones, length expansions, and notable station names from its inception in 1985 to its projected development in 2040. The Busan Metro made its debut on July 19, 1985, with the opening of Line 1. The initial phase of Line 1 covered a distance of 16.8 kilometers, starting from Nopodong in the north and ending at Beomnagal in the south. This inaugural line included a total of 14 stations, serving major areas such as Jugangdong, Seomyeon, and Jagalchi. Seoul Subway Line 4 opened in April 1985 and had already been operational during the specified time frame of 1986 to 1993. Seoul Subway Line 3 had already started its operation before 1986. In 1986, Line 3 was extended northward from Suseo to Ojium, adding 1.8 kilometers and 2 new stations to the line. In 1987, Line 1 of the Busan Metro saw its first extension. The line was extended from Beomnagal to Namyangjeong, adding 4 additional stations to the network. This extension further enhanced connectivity and accessibility for commuters in Busan. During the same year, Busan Metro introduced an automated fare collection system, streamlining the ticketing process and making it more efficient for passengers. The new system allowed passengers to purchase tickets and pass through fare gates using automated machines, reducing waiting times and enhancing the overall travel experience. Line 3 was further extended from Ojeom to Apgujeong, covering an additional 2.9 kilometers with 2 new stations. Line 2 of the Busan Metro began construction in 1987, with the first section opening in 1999. However, during the specific timeline of 1986 to 1990, the major developments on Line 2 were still in progress. Various sections of Line 2 were under construction during this period, laying the foundation for the future expansion of the metro network in Busan. Then, in 1988, the same Line 1 got extended to Tuseong, covering a total of 24.8 kilometers distance. Within 2 years of time span, in 1990, the line got its extension till Seodacheon. During the year 1991, the first section of Line 2 officially opened to public, providing a new route for commuters in Busan. Further extension of Line 1 occurred during this year, expanding the coverage and accessibility of the metro system. In 1992, South Korea introduced its first high-speed rail service, known as KDX or Korea Train Express. Then, the first section of Line 2 officially opened to the public, providing a new route for commuters in Busan. Line 1 continued to get further extension during this year. In 1993, the second section of Line 2 opened, extending the route and serving additional areas of Busan. Then, in 1994, the third section of Line 2 was opened, continuing the expansion of the metro network. Line 3 underwent another extension from Apgujeong to Seoul National University of Education, adding 3.5 kilometers and 3 new stations. In 1994, the Busan Kimhae Light Rail Transit, also known as LRT system, began operation. The LRT line connected Sesang Station in Busan to Kimhae City, providing a convenient transportation option. On November 18, 1995, the Gyeongbu Line, also known as Busan Gimshin Section, was electrified, improving the efficiency and speed of train services along this route. In September 1997, the Donghai Nambu Line, also known as the Southeast Coastal Line, was opened. This railway line connected Busan to Gangneung in Gangwon Province, offering a scenic coastal route for passengers and improving transportation accessibility to the eastern region of South Korea. On March 15, 1998, the Busan Kimhae Light Rail Transit Line 2 commenced operations. This line extended the existing LRT network and provided additional connectivity between Busan and Kimhae City. The next significant development came in 1999, when Line 2 was introduced. Line 2 initially stretched from Jangsan to Seomyeon, covering a distance of 16.2 kilometers. It included 17 stations, connecting key areas such as Hoindae, Gwanggun, and Kyungsung University. In 2001, the extension of Line 2 commenced, adding 6.5 kilometers to the existing line. This extension included 5 new stations, reaching Duzhul from Jangsan. The extended Line 2 now covered a total distance of 22.7 kilometers. Line 3 became operational in 2005, offering an additional transportation option for Busan residents and visitors. The initial phase of Line 3 spanned 17.1 kilometers, connecting Suyong to Daejeon. It consisted of 15 stations, providing accessibility to areas such as Centrum City and Busan National University. The following years witnessed rapid expansion and development of the Busan Metro network. In 2007, Line 3 was extended to Suyong-gu Office, adding 5.7 kilometers to the line. This extension included 5 new stations, making the total length of Line 3 reach 22.8 kilometers. In 2011, the introduction of Line 4 further enhanced the metro system in Busan. Line 4's initial phase covered a distance of 12.9 kilometers, starting from Minam to Ampyeong. It comprised 14 stations, serving areas like Jangnim, Busan Jingu, and Dongrai. Line 4 experienced its first extension in 2013, adding 4.8 kilometers to the existing line. This extension connected Ampyeong to Minam, encompassing 4 new stations. The extended Line 4 now covered a total distance of 17.7 kilometers. The latest addition to the Busan Metro system is Line 5, which commenced operation in 2017. Line 5's initial phase covered a distance of 15.1 kilometers, stretching from Daejeon to Dongdaesan. It included 14 stations, serving areas such as Jangnim, Kimhae International Airport, and Sasang. Looking ahead to the future, several expansion projects are planned for the Busan Metro network. By 2023, Line 1 is expected to be extended from Nupodong to Simpyeong, covering a distance of 5.3 kilometers. This extension will include 4 new stations, enhancing connectivity in the northern part of Busan. By 2028, Line 2 is projected to be extended from Dushul to Haeundae, covering a distance of approximately 7.7 kilometers. This extension will introduce 5 new stations, connecting more areas along the eastern coast of Busan. Then, within the next decade, between the timeline of 2030 to 2040, Line 3 is planned to be extended from Daejeon to Sahagu Office, adding approximately 8.2 kilometers to the line. This extension will include 6 new stations, improving accessibility to Sahagu District. Line 4 is set to be extended from Minam to the Depot Beach, covering a distance of around 6.7 kilometers. This extension will introduce 5 new stations, enhancing connectivity to the southwestern part of Busan. Line 1 is projected to be extended from Simpyeong to Bujeon, adding approximately 7.9 kilometers to the line. This extension will include 6 new stations, improving connectivity in the northern part of Busan. As Busan continued to evolve as a bustling metropolis, these railway updates played a vital role in shaping the city's infrastructure and facilitating smoother and more efficient travel. With a strong foundation laid during this period, the Busan railway system was poised for further growth and development in the years to come, solidifying its position as an integral part of Busan's transportation landscape.